Namaste, sir.
कल्याण हो।
I want to know some more because you are this descendant of royal priest family of Badapur, Purulia, as well as eminent educationist. So today, sir, please enlighten us and give the blessings of it to all of us because it is highly required as sometimes we are losing our patience in this materialistic world and also we are losing ourselves. So how and which mantra we will follow which will give us inevitable moment of our life and peace of mind.
Oh, so beautiful questions you are asking. Mantra. Who will give the freeness, the freedom of the mind? And you know, when the people will get freedom from their mind, मन को त्राण करने वाला. Who will give the freeness? Who will give the freedom of the mind? Means the bandhanam, the barriers by which we are in illusion, we are in maya. So when the mind will be free from illusion, when the mind will be free from all agony, pain of the life, of materialistics and inner world of our body, mind and soul, then definitely we are getting peace, pleasure and harmony. In this regards, there is a great mantra that is called Aparajita mantra. If we will do the prayer of this Aparajita, great energy, Param Shakti, then definitely we will get free from all nuisance, free from all barriers, and we will get peace and pleasure in this materialistic world. Oh, Aparajita mantra. You know, whenever we are talking about Aparajita mantra, then we can see that this mantra particularly, Aparajita, it has given by a great monk, and we are calling Srinantu Manayo Sarve Sarva Kamartha Siddhidam Asadha Sadhining Devi Vaishnavimam Parajitam. So this Vaishnavis has given by the great saint, and he is not only intellectual but he is the spiritual pathfinder from the Vedic time. So this mantra has given by this great monk, the great rishi, and we have to practice that mantra. Garg Muni. Have you heard the name Garg Muni? He was a great monk in the time of Vedic period. Actually, this mantra, if you will see, then you can see that particularly there is actually so many things are there in this mantra that particularly we are calling Om Namo Bhagavate Namo Anantaya Sahasra Sirsaya Sri Khyudarnavasayini. Means here we bow to the supreme manifestation of divinity, Lord of the earth, Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. We bow to the infinite one who has 1,000 of heads, who rests at the end of the infinite ocean of pure consciousness. So here you can see that we are talking about that pure consciousness. We are talking about that great goddess Aparajita. Aparajita, you know? Goddess Aparajita, my dear, is a form of Mata Durga, who will destroy all our problems. Durgati Vinasana Devi Durgaha. So the goddess Aparajita is a form of Durga Ma. She is the form which destroys negativity and difficulties. She is the goddess who cannot be defeated by any one of the world. She is undefeatable. So if you will worship to her, you will also never defeat. You know, Mata Aparajita, she manifests for the benefit of all mankind and destroys all negative energy. She purifies our surroundings to help us, help our life to groom properly, and we are able to come out by His blessing from all obstacles and difficulties of this world. She manifests for the benefit of all mankind. In addition, people use these mantras as a healing of all the problems maybe related with business. Even if you know, maybe the court cases. And we are also inviting Mahalakshmi in this stotram, in this mantra. It is the first time that you can see that this mantra, what we are calling Shrinuddhang Munayo Sarve Sarva Kamartha Siddhidam Asadhya Sadhining Devi Vaishnavim Aparajitam, means Shrinuddhang. We are saying Shrinuntu Vishyamritasya Putra Ajidhamani Dibbani Tastu. The same way, you, the people of Brahma, you listen. Shrinuddhang Munayo Sarve Sarva Kamartha Siddhidam Asadhya Sadhining Devi Vaishnavim Aparajitam. Oh, all you great wise cues of human beings, to that which grants the perfect fulfillment, you will get the fulfillment, you will get the perfection, and you will be free from all the desires. Just the praise the goddess of pure discipline, the energy of she who pervades the universe, she who cannot be defeated. Are you getting it? Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. You will never lose the life game by it. Could you understand?
Yes.
Please say any questions related to it.
Can you please recite this mantra so that we can hear it from your, from you? We can hear we have heard about its essence.
My dear, you know, not only we are coming out from the problems, but one place Muni has told, Garg Muni. Could you understand? He has told in one place, that particularly place, that Nasayo Papang Hara Hara Jalagatang Stalagatang Antarikhagatang Mang Rikha Rikha Sarva Bhuta Sarva Poda Sarva Pada Vinashaka. So Nasayo Papang Hara Hara Jalagatang Stalagatang Antarikhagatang Mang Rikha Rikha Sarva Bhutedbo Sarva Pudredbo Mahabhutibhyo Swaha. Means you know
It will protect every
everything. Yes. Yes.
and it will destroy all our
Yes.
and purify us.
Yes. So that is there, you know. Actually, first you have to know that when Goddess Aparajita, sitting on the throne of the 8 petals, emerges from the womb of the earth, in response to prayers of devotees, the Devatas, the all God and Goddesses of the 8 directions also manifest to welcome her. The tips of the 8 petals represent these 8 Devatas. The destroyer frequencies generated from creation of Goddess Aparajita through the medium of the 8 Devatas destroy the accumulated Raja, Tama energy, and it will develop the Sattva energy within us, purifying the atmosphere to help people on the earth to lead an obstacle-free life. Could you understand? So the energy of Aparajita that manifests in the form of fountains, for long periods people benefits from this conserved energy of Goddess Aparajita by preserving this energy within our body, mind and soul. My dear, you know, there is one important factor here. The child who has not got any children within their life, Jasya pranashyate puspang garbho va patate jadi mriyante balaka jasya kakavanya chajavavet. We children, descendant from the womb of the existence, desiring the death of all bondage, bow to all of these with flowers. Bhujapatre timang viddang likhitva dharayet sada ehi darshina lippet shubhaga putrini bhavet. Means, you know, this knowledge should be written on birch tree bark and always worn as the form of amulet, by means of which all faults will be purified for yourselves and your child. Bhurjapatre kumkumena likhitva dharaye tuja rane rajakule dute sangrame vipusangule. If this is written with red vermilion powder on birch bark and worn, it will bring delight and freedom from fear of the family of the king, in battle, in confrontation, and from the multitude of personal limitations. What are the personal limitations? That they are the desire, anger, greed, illusion, ignorance, jealousy, all negative things. You will come out from there. Could you understand me? And here in this mantra, you know, we are also using some seed mantra. Particularly, we are using Ong, Rang, Ring, Rung, Roing, Rong, Ra, Turu Turu Swaha. Om, you know, Om, to you know very well, Om, the infinite beyond conception, the manifestation of the subtle body of the consciousness ओंकारंग बिंदु संयुक्तंग नित्यंग धायन्ति जोगिनी कामदंग मैखदं चैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः. So in this gross body, the casual body, the circumstance of all beings is the body of all that knowable, in the body of light, in the body of truth, consciousness and bliss, strongly, powerfully processed, I am one with God. God within me. So, hey, the divine Lord and Goddess Aparajita, please develop all positive divine particles, divine energy within me. Utishtato, Jagrato, Prachpomoran Nibodhato. We have to wake up by this great energy of Aparajita. Still we will not hit our target. Could you follow? Next.
Sir, can you what kind of chand is used in this mantra?
Trishtupa Chanda. Trishtupa Chanda we are using here. Actually, you know, Markandeya Rishi was a great Rishi, already I have told, who has given this one, this particular, actually that mantra, Markandeya Rishi. Could you understand? And Vaishnavi Aparajita Mahavidya, where we have seen Vamadeva Brihaspati Markandeya Rishi, or Gayatri Usnig Onustapa Brihati Chanda, Lakshmi Narasingha Devata, and where we have seen Kling Bijam Hung Shakti. Could you understand?
Can you please elaborate, sir?
I am saying you, Om Asya Vaishnavya Paraya Ajitaya Mahavidyaya Vamadeva Brihaspati Markandeya Rishi Gayatri Usnina Onustapa Brihati Chandansi Lakshmi Manrishingho Devata Om Kling Sring Ring Bijam Hung Shakti Sakala Kamana Siddhartham Aparajita Vidya Mantra Pathe Vinijogaha. Means, that one, you know, Vaishnavi Aparajita Mahavidya, who has narrated by Vamadeva, Brihaspati, Markandeya Rishi. Could you understand? And it is actually given by Garg Rishi. But Garg has not actually narrated by it, so we are calling it as Vaishnavi Aparajita Mahavidya. That particular has given by Vamadeva, Brihaspati, Markandeya Rishi, and Gayatri Usniga Onustapa Brihati Chanda, Lakshmi Narasingha Devata, Kling Bijam Hung Shakti, Sakal, matlab every wish of your mind will be fulfilled by this Aparajita mantra. Markandeya Rishi has also told, you know, that particularly mantra, He Muniyo, Sarvarth Siddhi Dene Wali, Asiddha Shadhika, Vaishnavi, Aparajita Devi, and we have to listen this one actually, this mantra, that it is narrated by them. Yeah, you can, if you want. Aparajita Stotram, in a very easy form, I am just reciting. You will listen. Om Aparajitayoi Namaha. Vaishya Aparajita Mantrasya Vedavyasarisi Onustapa Chandaha Sri Aparajita Devata विंग बीजं ह्रीं शक्ति सर्व कामार्थ सिद्धार्थं जपे विनियोगः। ओम नीलत्पोलदलश्यामां भुजगवर्णज्जलं बालेन्दुमौलिनीं देवीं नयनत्रितयान्वितां शङ्खचक्रधरां देवीं वरदां भयनाशिनीं पिनोत्तुङ्गस्तनीं श्यामां वरपद्मसुमालिनीम्। ओम मार्कण्डेयो उवाच शृणुध्वं मुनयो सर्वे सर्वकामार्थसिद्धिदाम् असद्यसाधिनीं देवीं वैष्णवीमपराजिताम्। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नम अनन्ताय सहस्रशिरसाय क्षीरदार्णवसायिने शेषभोगपर्यङ्काय गरुडवाहनाय अजाय अजिताय अमिताय अपराजिताय पितवाससे वासुदेव संकर्षण प्रद्युम्न निरुद्ध हयग्रीव महाबराच्युत नृसिंह वामन त्रिविक्रम राम राम श्रीराम मत्स्य कुर्म वरप्रदये नमस्तुते स्वाहा। ओम असुर दैत्य दानव नाग गंधर्व जक्ष राक्षस भूत प्रेत पिशाच कुष्मांड सिद्ध जोगिनी डाकिनी स्कंद पुरोगान ग्रह नक्षत्र दोषांग ग्रहांग चन्नन हन नदद पदवच मदवत विध्वंसय विध्वंसय विद्रावय विद्रावय विचूर्णय विचूर्णय संघेन चक्रेण वज्रेण खड्गेन शूलेन गदया मुसलेन हलेन दामोदर भस्सी कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। सर्वदेव महेश्वर सर्वग्रह निवारण डाकिनी विद्यांसन जनार्दन नमस्तुते स्वाहा। ओम यः इमाम पराजितं परम विष्णुभिं पठति विद्यां सरति सिद्धां महाविद्यां पठति जपति सरति शृणोति धारयति कीर्तयति वा घृत्वा हस्ते पति गच्छति वा भुक्त्या लिखित्वा गृहे स्थापयति वा नतस्याग्नि वायु वज्रपल्लास निर्भयं न वर्ष भयं न शत्रु भयं न चोर भयं न सर्प भयं न सापद भयं न समुद्र भयं न राज भयं वा भवेत् क्वचितंद्रकार स्थिराज कूल विषप विष गरल दहन वशीकरण विद्वेषणोच्चाटन बदबंधन भयं वा भवेत्। एतोई मंत्रोरुदाहितोई सिद्धोई संसिद्धोई पूजितोई ओम नमस्ते तनगे अभये ओजिते अमिते अपरे अपराजिते पठति सिद्धे जपति सिद्धे शरद सिद्धे महाविद्ये एकानंसे उमे ध्रुवे अरुंधति सावित्री गायत्री जातवेद से मानस्तके सरस्वती धमनी दामिनी रमणी रामिनी धरणी धारिणी तपनी तापिनी सौदामिनी उदिति दीति विनते गौरी गंधारी सबरी किराती मातंगी कृष्णे जशोदे सत्यवादिनी ब्रह्मवादिनी काली कपालिनी करालिनी कराल नेत्रे भीमनादिनी विकराल नेत्रे सद्यपचकार मातः सर्वजाचन वरदे सुबदे अर्थदे साधिनी अपमृत्युं नाशयो नाशयो पापं हर हर भूभृज्जलगतं पतलगतं स्थलगतं अंतरिक्षगतं मां रक्ष रक्ष सर्वभूतेभ्यो सर्वपुद्रेभ्यो महाभूतेभ्यो स्वाहा। ओम जस्य प्रणश्यते पुष्पं गर्भो वा पतते यदि म्रियन्ते बालका जस्या काकवन्द्या च जा भवेत् भुर्जपत्रेति मां विद्यां गन्धचन्दनं चर्चिताम् बाहुगोले वा जत्नेन लिखित्वा धारये यदि एभिधुर्येन लिप्येत् सुभगा पुत्रिणी भवेत् भुर्जपत्रे कुङ्कुमेन लिखित्वा धारयतु च रणे राजकुले दूते संग्रामे रिपुसंकुले अग्निचोर भये घोरे नित्यं तस्य जयो भवेत् शस्त्रं च वायवतेषां समरे कण्डधारिणी गुल्मशूलाक्षि रोगानां क्षिप्रं नाशदव्यतां शिरोरोग जरादीनां नाशिनीं सर्वदेहिनां तज्जता ऐकाहिको दाहिको त्राहिको चतुर्थिको मासिको द्वैमासिको त्रैमासिको चतुर्मासिको षण्मासिको मैत्रिको मात्रिको पत्रिको सन्निपातिको शोषणिको जर आम जर सतत जर विषम जर ग्रह नक्षत्र दोषां ग्रहां चन्नन ओम हर हर काली सरसर गौरी धम धम विद्ये आले माले ताले गंधे पच पच विद्ये मत मत विद्ये नाशय नाशय पापं हर हर दुःस्वप्न विध्वंसय विघ्न विनाशिनी ओरि नाशिनी रजनी सन्ध्ये दुन्दुबिनादे मर्दय मर्दय मानस्तके मानसवेगे शंखिनी चक्रिणी वज्रिनी खड़िगिनी गदिनी शूलिनी अपमृत्यु विनाशिनी विश्वेश्वरी द्राविणी द्राविणी केशवदयिते पशुपति सहिते दुःख दुस्तरे दुन्दुबिनादिनी भीम मर्दिनी दमनी दामिनी सबरी किराती मातंगी माहेश्वरी इंद्राणी ब्रह्माणी बाराई माहेन्द्री कौमारी चंडी चामुंडे नमस्तुते। ओं ह्रांग ह्रीं रुंग रोइंग रोंग रह तुरु तुरु स्वाहा ओम जिमांग दिशंत प्रत्यक्षं परीक्षं बातान सर्वान हन हन दम दम पच पच मर्दय मर्दय तापय तापय शोधय शोधय उत्सादय उत्सादय ब्रह्माणी माहेश्वरी बाराई नारसिंही कौमारी वैनायकी वैष्णवी ओन्द्री चंद्री अग्नि चंडी चामुंडे वारुणी भाव्ये सर्व काम फलप्रदे रुक्ष रुक्ष प्रचंड विद्ये इंद्रपेन्द्र भगिनी जये विजये शांति पुष्टि तुष्टि कीर्ति विवर्धनी कामांकुशे कामदुघे सर्व काम वरप्रदे सर्वभूतेषु मां प्रियं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा ओं रांग ह्रीं रुंग रोइंग रोंग ह्रः ओम आकर्षणी आवेशनी जलांशुमानिनी रमणी रामिनी धरणी धारिणी तपनी तापिनी मदन मोदिनी संशोषिनी संमोहिनी महानीले नीलपताके महागौरी महाश्वये महाचंडी महाशौरी महामयूरी महाश्रिये महामाये आदित्य रश्मि जाह्नवी जमघंटे ओं आंग किलिकिली चिंतामणि सुरभि श्रोत्पन्ने सर्व कामदुगे यथाभिलषितं कार्यं तन्मे सिद्धतु स्वाहा ओम अदिते स्वाहा ओम अपराजिते स्वाहा ओम भू स्वाहा ओम भुव स्वाहा ओम स्वाहा ओम भूर्भुवस्व स्वाहा ओम जप एवागतं पापं तत्रैव प्रतिगच्छतु स्वाहा ओम बोले बोले महाबले ओसिद्ध साधिनी स्वाहा ओम बोले बोले महाबले ओसिद्ध साधिनी स्वाहा ओम बोले बोले महाबले ओसिद्ध साधिनी स्वाहा My dear, you know, when actually we are doing this prayer, what we are doing, it is very important. You have to think, Hey Devi, Om, with 1,000 of arms, 1,000 weapons of war, be victorious, be victorious, conquer, conquer, oh, unconquerable one, unconquerable one, unlimited one, unlimited one, who cannot be defeated, with no one before you, with 1,000 shining eyes, shining brilliantly, brilliantly, without form, the form of the universe, of many forms, who execute sweetness, the great boar of sacrifice, infinite one, the man lion of courage, the great fool of complete consciousness, who dwells in the highest heaven, manifestations of consciousness, from whose navel comes a lotus, who is one pointed light, unobstructed, giver of compassion, controller of the senses, who embodies creation, preservation, transformation, doer, the discipline of all the gods, who instills fears in all ghosts and disembodied spirits, who defeats all enemies, who pronounces all mantras, who cures all diseases, who destroys all snakes, the poisonous snakes, who is the great supreme Lord of all gods, who liberates from all bonds, who destroys all adversity, who controls all enmity, who destroys the capacities of old age, who keeps the planet in proper orbit, who destroys all sin, who destroys inimical energies, who destroys bad dreams, who is above manifested existence. We bow to Him. I am one with God. Could you understand?
Yes, sir.
How beautifully Muni has told, Om Sahasrabahu Sahasra Pranaudo, Jaya Jaya, Vijaya, Vijaya, Ojito, Ojito, Omito, Omito, Aparajito, Aparajito, Apratihato, Sahasra Netrojjala, Jala Jala, Jala Jala, Prajjala, Prajjala, Virupo, Virupo, Vishwarupo, Bahurupo, Madhusudana, Mahaparajjuto, Nishingo, Mahapurusha, Purushottamo, Vaikuntha Narayana, Padmanabha Govindo, Aniruddho, Damodara, Hrishikesha, Kesava, Vamano, Sarva Osura Chedana, Sarva Bhuta Bhayankara, Sarva Preta Vinasana, Satru, Sarva Satru Pramardana, Sarva Mantra Prabhanjana, Sarva Roga Prabhanjana, Sarva Naga Pramardana, Sarva Deva Paramesara, Sarva Deva Paramesara, Sarva Banda Vimukhana, Sarva Hita Pramardana, Sarva He Sarva Sarva Jara Prasasana, Sarva Graha Nivarana, Sarva Papa Pramardana, Dakini Vidhansana, Sarvato, Sapna Nasana, Dussapna Nasana, Janardana Namahastute Swaha. How beautiful! How beautiful! Can you imagine? The whole cosmos. No cosmetics. Only cosmic and cosmic. Could you understand, my child? No cosmetics, only cosmic. If you go to the deep of it, you will get ecstasy. Only you have to think, rethink, and think and rethink.
Sir, which mantras from this stotra can we recite for our liberation?
Any mantra, if you will go to the deep of it, mantra man ko tran karne wala. How beautiful it is. But you have to image, because it is the time of self-dependence. Comes from self-analysis, comes from self-reasoning, self-thoughts processing. You have to develop your own, standard of operational procedures. It is the great requirement for your fulfillment, for your completement. No competitions, only it's the time of contribution. No, my dear, don't join within the race. Think about divine, think about all these things. The great Brahma who has created the whole universe, how it will be sustainable, how we will do the mantra, the enchanting, the prayer for him. That is important. We have to praise him. It is the hymn to him. And it is also blessing when you will praise. Could you understand? And our great saint, monk, Maharshi, they have given everything. Everything they have given to us. Only we have to think in which way they have done this whole work for us. It is a beautiful gift. So please do the prayer of Aparajita. Thank you.